Hello students, this video is for chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3. In this video we will discuss about the revision for midterm exam. So if you talk about how to means prepare the questions, so what you need to do is you need to go through chapter by chapter. So first we will discuss about chapter number 1, then 2, then 3. So very few questions we will take so that we can revise in 1 hour complete syllabus for midterm. Okay. So this is chapter number 1 and I want to tell you first topic is number system. So you should remember this is natural numbers. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 whole numbers like this. Then if you go here, then you will see the whole numbers here. Whole number only 0 is extra with the natural number. So all are natural numbers, but 0 extra. Then we come to the integers. So if you see in the integer, this is 0. These are positive numbers here and these are negative numbers here. So this is complete number 1, 2, clear, then 3, then 4. Similarly, -1, -2, -3. These are integers. Okay, you can see here all these are integers. Now come to the important part is rational and irrational. So I want to tell you there are three type of numbers are called rational. What is this? Number one is if any number is written 4 divide 5. This is called rational number. What is second number? Like say 2.45. See, stop here. There is no further number. Like say 2.45. And what is the third one? 2.4555. So you can see 5 is coming here. All 5 are there. There is like say dot. You can see. So here you can see all are 5. So this generally we write 2.45 and we put a bar over it. So any number that is written 4 by 5, any number that is stop here and any number that we are getting repeat digits, then it is called a rational number. What is irrational number? Irrational number is like 2.45389116. So you can see it is not stop and all digits are different here. Clear? So this is about the rational and irrational number. And whatever number we study, all numbers are real numbers. Please remember this. Okay. So now we will solve one question. This type of question we are asking in exam. What is 2.65? 2.65 is a whole number? No. 2.65 is an integer? No. 2.65 is a rational number? Yes, because it stop here. Because it is stop, so it is a rational number. Because it is rational, so it cannot be irrational. Please remember this. Now, 9. 9 is a whole number? Yes, 9 is a whole number. 9 is an integer? Yes, 9 is an integer. 9 is a rational number? Yes, because we can write 9 by 1. So, this is a rational number. Because this is rational, so it cannot be irrational. Now look here. This is point. Point means not whole number. Point means not integer. Now point. Let us see. It is stop or repeat? No. All digits you can see are different here and it is not stop. So this is a irrational number. Because this is irrational, so it cannot be rational number. Now you see here 2.34555. You can see repeat. Same number repeat. Same number repeat means it is a rational number. And because it is point, no integer, no whole number, and no irrational number. So this is about I want to tell you is the number system. Now move to topic number 2. If we move to topic number 2, then we will find what? Then we will find the laws, various laws about the number system. So if we move to this topic, then you will see the laws here. What is the law here? Law here there are number one is commutative law. What is commutative law? Commutative law means it is done on the two numbers A and B. If we are talking about addition, then A jama B. If we are talking about dharb multiplication, then it is A divide multiply B. And what is equal? It is reverse. B jama A. It is equal B divide B dot A. This is commutative property. Okay. If we come to associative property, then associative property, we are doing both three numbers A, B and C. So you can see here A and B are in bracket, C free. But here first A is free and B and C are in bracket. Same in multiply. A and B bracket, C free. A free, B and C bracket. So this type of things. Then it comes to distributive property. Distributive property, you will find two things. One, you will find multiplication. One, you will find addition. So what we are doing here? Here we are doing multiply it here and multiply it here. So A into B and then A into C. This is how we are doing it. So A into B, jama A into C. And on the basis of this, I have prepared one question. The question is here. Like say, what is the output of this one? What is the output of this one? 11 into this bracket. So what we will do? First, we will multiply here. This question I took from the assignment, okay? And then it here. So what we will do? First, we will multiply 11 into 4. 11 dharb 4. Then what is this? Jama. Jama. What you need to write now? 11 into 11 into 3x. Okay. So 11 into 3x. So what is 11 into 4? It is 44 jama. 11 into 3, 33x. Khalas. This is the answer. So you need to use these three kanun how to do it. But generally, as per past experience, I can say this type of one question coming every time in exam. They will give you one number, like say they will give you number 4 here, and on the inside they will write x minus 3. So you need to write what is this? Multiply here and multiply here. 4 into x is 4x minus 4 into 3 is 12. Like this you need to calculate. This generally comes for 1 mark question. Okay. Now come to additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. What we do in additive inverse? Whatever number is written here, in case of additive inverse, please remember additive inverse. We always multiply negative. If it is minus 5, so answer will be 5. Clear? If another question, if I am taking like say 7, what is the additive inverse of 7? Answer will be minus 7. Clear? So please remember, in case of additive inverse, we are simply changing the sign. If here negative, we will write positive. If here positive, we will write negative. Class. In case of multiplicative inverse, if it is 1 upon 7, so what is the answer? Makloob. What is the makloob of 1 by 7? It is 7. But if question is find the multiplicative inverse of minus 10. What is this? Answer is like say minus 10. What is the multiplicative? Makloob. 1 upon minus 10. Class, this is the answer. But remember, what you need to remember? Here additive inverse. So changing the sign. Here multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means we are doing makloob. Please remember, multiplicative inverse means what? Makloob. Makloob. Okay. Please remember in multiplicative inverse. Now come to another type of question. What type of question it is? Like say, if I'm taking, I will tell you there are two type of things we study how to add and subtract the fraction number. Like say question is 3 by 2 jama 5 by 2. Like this is the question. Okay. Just a minute. I will make this size little big. Okay. Now, so what it is? It is like say 3 by 2 jama 5 by 2. If this is the question. So what we need to see here, if downside it is same. Yes, it is same. So we will write 2 here. And what is the answer? Sum of numerator 3 jama 5. What is 3 jama 5? It is 8 divide 2. And what will be the answer? 8 taksim 2 is 4. Clear? Similarly, like say another question, 7 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Clear? So what is the answer here? Because here this number and this number downside same. So LCD is 4. Local means least common denominator is 4, same. And just do 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is how much? 4. So 4 taksim 4, answer is 1. Clear? So here first we are solving for plus, then we are solving for minus. Similarly, what we can do is like say 7 by 3 minus 3, not 3, like say 5 by 3 and Jama. Jama like say 4 by 3. This is. Now we are doing one negative, one positive. Two things are there. So how do we'll see? So first you need to see, is the number same here? Yes, same here. The number is same. If the number is same, the same will come here. And then what you need to do? 7, then this symbol minus, then 5, and then this symbol Jama 4. Now simplify these numbers. 7 minus 5 is 2, Jama 4, divide 3, 7, 2 Jama 4 is 6, 6 divide 3, answer is 2. So same type of questions you can do. Now I have write one question here. Like say, what is the question? Is equal to. Now you need to simplify. So what is this? Look here, 24, 24, 24. Same number. So least common denominator will be 24 here. Now just simplify, write the numerator 23, then it is plus here. So we will write plus here, then 3, then Nakas here. Nakas 14. Now simplify. 23 plus 3 is 26 minus 14 upon 24. How much? 26 minus 14 is 12. Taksim 24. Now you need to simplify it. Taksim by 2. 12 taksim by 2 is 6. 24 taksim by 2 is 12. Now you can taksim by 6. Taksim by 6. So what will happen? Taksim by 6. So 6 taksim 6 is 1, 12 taksim 6 is 2. So 1 by 2 is the answer in this case. So just remember, means what is the number here? Here you can see same number. So it is very easy. We will write same number here and numerator we will copy 23, 23 Jama 3 Nakas 14. Class and simplify. This is very simple. Now we will talk about one question where the downside numbers are different. Like say question we are taking like say 3 by 4 and Jama 5 by 6. This is the question. Clear? Simplest question I am taking 3 by 4, 5 by 6. So what you need to do? There are two things here. First is you need to learn how to calculate LCD of this one. So LCD means what you need to do? Calculate the prime factor of 4. So 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 1, 2. So what are the prime factors of 4? The prime factors of 4 is 2 to 2. Now calculate the prime factors of 6. What? 2 times 3, 6. 3 times 1, 3. So what are the prime factors of 6? It is 2. Here 3 is different. So this is same here. Now it will become one time. Now first we are calculating LCD is equal to 2. Now this is one time, so right here. This is one time, so right here. So what is the LCD? 2 times 2, 4 times 3, 12. So the question number 1 answer is 12. What is the LCD? LCD is 12. Now what we need to see? What we need to see which number we need to multiply here. So you can see here, I will tell you, like say here 4. What is missing number? Missing number is 3 here. 3 is not here. You can see here not 3, 3 is here. So in the first number we will multiply 3. Multiply 3, multiply 3. And in the second one, if you will see, 2 is not here. Here is 2, but here no number. So we will multiply 2 here. Now, if you will see, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 3 is 12, Jama. 5 times 2 is 10, and 6 times 2 is 12. Now you can see 12, 12, same. So, like the previous question, 12 is here, What is the answer? 9 jama 10. 9 jama 10 is 19 divide 12. This is the answer. So same, I have write a question here. We need to do. What is the question? Question is 2 by 24 jama 5 by 30. What two questions? Find the LCD and simplify. These two questions you need to solve. So what is the step number one? Step number one is we need to calculate the prime factors of 24. 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3 and 3, 1. So what are the prime factors? Prime factors of 24. The prime factors of 24 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Clear? Now calculate the prime factors of 30. 2, what is that? 15. Then 3, 5. Then 5, 1. Clear? This is. Now write the prime factors of 30 here. What is this? 2, then 3, then 5. Now if we will make pair, so you can see this is one of the pair and this is one of the pair. Clear? So write this pair one time into. These two numbers both will come here. 2 into 2. Then pair. One time will come and then this. This is called what? LCD. One time this number will come, one time this number will come. This will come, and this will come. So what is this? 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 3, 24, 24 times 5, 120. So 120 is the LCD for this problem. Please remember, this is LCD. Now we need to simplify it. 2 Taksim 24 Jama 5 Taksim 30. Now what we need to multiply? Look here. If you will see in 24, what is missing? 24, 5 is missing. Here all numbers are there except 5. This number is not here. This number. Clear? So what we will write? We will multiply by 5 here. Clear? Now in 30, what is missing? This number is here, this is here, this is here. But these two numbers are not here. 2 into 2, 4. So we will multiply here 4, 4. Now simplify this. 2 times 5, 10. Taksim, 24 times 5. It will come 120. You can multiply. 5 times 4, 20 upon 30 times 4 is 120. Now you can see here. What? 120, 120. Same, same. So 120 will be here. What will come? Sum of the numerator. 20, 10 jama 20. So solve it. 30 divide 120. And if you will simplify, the answer will come 1 by 4. You can taksim by 2. 0 will be cancelled by 0. Then taksim by 3. So you will get 1 by 4 is the answer. Okay. So this is how you can solve the addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay. Now we'll move to chapter number 2. What is the chapter number 2? Chapter number 2, first I will tell you property, one property. What is that property? That is very important property. What is that property? The property is if x power 5 is there upon x power 3 is there. So what we will write? We will write x power 5 because this will move up. So it will be nakas 3. 5 minus 3. Answer will be 2. Okay. Now, if here is x power minus 2 upon x power 4. So change the negative towards the positive side. So what will happen? 1 divide x power 4. This minus 2 if will bring down, it will be plus 2. So it will be x power 6. This is how we need to simplify the fraction of variable. Okay. Now rational numbers. Now, another thing is if x power 3 is there and its power 4 is written there, power and above power. So what we'll do? We will dharb them. 3 dharb 4. 3 dharb 4. What is the answer? X power 12. Clear? But if x power 4 is written here and power is 1 upon 2, so what it will be? X power 4 divide 2. So answer will be x power 2 because 4 into 1. It will be how it will be done? It will be done like 4 dharb 1 by 2 because this product, these two. So it will become 4 into 1, 4, 2 into means 2 remain. So x power 2 will be there. Clear? Same we can write if you know in the square root x power 4. This can be written as like this x power 4 and this power 1 by 2 is equal to the square root. Okay. If you understand this, then we will have some question. Like say what is the question number 1? Question number 1 is there is one expression is written and only power series is written. So first we will see is the x term alone? Yes, one term of x, one term of y, one term of z. There are no two terms. If two terms, first we need to simplify the terms. Equal. Now, what we will write? 2 power 3 because power 3 is there. 2 power 3. Now, x power 3 power 3. Now, y power 2 power 3 divide by z power 4 power 3. Okay, so 2 power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8 x power. Now, dharb 3, 9, y 2 dharb 3, 6 upon z power 4, z power 4 dharb 3, it is 12. Halas, this is the answer. So if you get any question like this, they have given like this, like say another question I will write 2x square y power 5. So what is the answer here? Very simple. 2 power 5, x power 2 power 5 and y power 5 directly. So answer will be 2 power 5 is 32, x power 2 power 5 is 2 into 5, 10 and y power 5. Class, this is the answer. So if you find any expression and some powers is written there, you need to raise the power here, you need to raise the power here, you need to raise the power here. All the numbers you need to raise the power. Clear? This is how we need to simplify. But in this question, this is also same question. But what you need to do, you can see here, there are two terms of x, one term and one term. So first you need to club these terms. How to simplify this? First you need to make the square root. Okay. Now 24 divide 6. If you see 24 divide 6, so 24 divide 6. What is the answer? Answer is 4. So first we need to simplify this. 4 will come. Now, if you see x power numerator is positive, here Jama. So we will write 3 here and here minus 2. Minus 2 will shift upside. So if it will shift upside, what will come? 3 Jama 2 upon. Here y term is positive downside. So we will write 4 here. And this minus 2 we will bring downside. Okay, so it will be Jama 2 like this. Now square root. Or another thing, what you can write is, you can write the bracket. 4, what is x power? 5 divide by, what is y power? 6. And this is square root, you can written, what is the power? 1 by 2. You can write 1 by 2. So, or you can, it is up to you basically. 4x power, 4x power 5 divide is equal to 4 x power 5 divided by y power 6 and then you can write square root here. It is up to you how you are writing. So what is the answer? Answer is square root 4. Answer is square root x power 5 x power 5 divided by square root y power 6. So what is the value of square root 4? It is 2. What is the value of x power 5 square root? It will be x power 5 divided 2, because root means this can be written as x power 5 power 1 by 2. So it will be 5 by 2. And here y power 6 by 2. So if you will write in another form, it will come 2x power 5 divided 2 upon y power 6 by 2 is y power 3. This is how we can solve the question. So in this question, you can see here all terms are 1 1, x power 1, x power 3, y power 2, z power 4, 1 1 term. But here you can see there are two terms of, you can see there are two terms of x, there are two terms of y. So first we need to make the 1 1 term, and then we can simplify. Okay, this is second type of question. Now coming to the equation. How to solve the equation? There are many questions we solved in the class with this type. So in this question, what I told you, I told you first you need to shift this number here. Clear? So what it will be? It will be 6x gamma 1 power 1 by 2 is equal to 1 gamma 4. It will be 6x gamma 1 power 1 by 2 is equal to 1 gamma 4 is equal to 5. Now you see here, what is the power here written? 1 by 2. So what I told you? I told you to raise same power. Like what I told you? I told you like say 6x gamma 1 power 1 by 2. So here makloob of this right here. What is the makloob of 1 by 2? It is 2. And same here. So whatever is written here, here is written 1 by 2. So what you need to do? You need to raise power makloob. Now what will happen? This 2 will be cancelled by this 2. So here it will come 6x plus 1. And what is 5 power 2? 5 power 2 is 25. Clear? Now the question is very easy. Now take this here. 6x is equal to 25 nakas 1. So 6x is equal to how much? 25 nakas 1 is 24. Taksim by 6. Now this cancel. What we are getting? X is equal to 24 by 6 is how much? 4. So answer of this question is 4. So this is how you need to solve the equation. First, take this number. You can see, first take this number here. Then second is, what is the number written here? Write the power as makloob. You can see here power 2, makloob of this, and then simplify. Clear? This is the third type of question. What is the fourth type of question? Fourth type, this is the example in your book. You can practice the question from there also. Otherwise, what I told you, what we need to do? Rationalize. In a rationalized component, I will tell you one question. What I told you, like say, if question is 1 by square root 5. So what I told you, if one term is here, multiply same term here. Clear? So answer will be square root 5 into 1 square root 5 and upon same number. So 5 will come. So what we need to do in rationalize, we need to remove the radical sign here. This root symbol we need to remove. This is called, what this called? This is called rationalization. Clear? But if we have two terms, like say here we have 1 and 2, two terms here. So just read the sign here. What is the sign here? Sign here is minus. So you need to multiply here with the opposite. What is opposite means? Negative, another option, positive. So multiply. Now what you need to do? Multiply square root 2 gamma square root 5 upon square root 2 gamma square root 5. Clear? Now this is same thing. Okay. So what will happen? The numerator is same. So what is this? Square root 2 gamma square root 5 bracket close square root 2 gamma square root 5 downside. What is this? Now if you remember, I told you one thing. One question. First I will explain this question. What is this question? This question is, Like say, if we have a number A here and same number here, if we have B number here and same number here, and one is negative, one is positive. So what is the answer here? Answer here is the first number power 2 minus the second number power 2. Clear? First power 2 minus second power 2. So what will happen? 2 power 2. Now we will write 2 power 2 x power 2 minus 3 power 2 y power 2. And if you will simplify, 2 power 2 is 4 x power 2 minus 3 power 2 is 9 y power 2. This is the answer. Same concept we need to do here. Why? Because you can see square root 2 is square root 2. Same. So we will write square root 2 power 2 here. Now you can see here, one is negative, one is positive. So negative will come, and whatever is here, same here. Square root 5 power 2. Now we need to multiply square root 2 into square root 2. Okay. Then plus multiply square root. What you need to do? Now we need to multiply here. Square root 2 into square root 5. Square root 10. Jama. Now, square root 5 into square root 2. What is this? 5 into 2 square root 10. Now, Jama. Square root 5 into square root 5. Square root 5 into square root 5 upon, what is this? Now remember, square root 2 square is cancelled by this. So it is 2 minus 5 like this. So now one more thing you need to remember. Same. Square root, if you remember, I told you what? That square root 2 and square root 2 is equal to 2 always. So it will come 2 plus square root 10 and square root 10. 2 square root 10 Jama square root 5 into square root 5. Same. So it will come 5 upon 2 minus 5. It is minus 3. Now, final 5 plus 2 is 7. Jama 2 square root 10 upon minus 3. This is the answer. This is rationalization. It is little difficult. Why it is little difficult? Because there are same term of type, so we need to simplify more. So this is how we practice this type of question. But it is very easy, and there are two three questions of this type given in your course material also. You can practice this type of question from your course material also. Okay. Now coming to chapter number 3. This chapter is very easy. What you need to do here, you need to what is the first question? First question is find the degree. If you remember, if I explain little from the course material, so you will see this I explained. Yes. What is this? If we have only, you can see here, if we have only one term here, you can see one term, so we call it monomial. If we have two term, it is called binomial. But if we have three term, it is called trinomial. But two and more terms also called polynomial. Two, this is polynomial, this is also polynomial, four terms also polynomial. So same question here. So what we call it? How many terms here? One, two, three, four. So four here. So we call it polynomial. This is one thing. Another thing is, what is the power of x here? 1. What is the total power of x and y here? 2 jama 1, 3. What is the power of x here? 8. What is the power of x here? 4. These are the term degree of each term. The degree of first term is 1. the degree of second term is 3, degree of third term is 8, degree of fourth term is 4. So which one number is the Jyada? Jyada means big number. So number is 8. So this is the question number 2. First question is, what is the name of this polynomial? 4 terms, so polynomial. And what is the maximum number? It is 8. So degree of this polynomial is 8. Please remember, this question they will ask in midterm. This question they will ask in final exam also. What is the degree of the polynomial? So they will give you some different means question, and then they will ask you. If you see here, what is that? You can see here in this question, if you will see, what is the degree here? 4. What is the degree here? 3. What is the degree here? 2. What is the degree here? 1. What is the degree here? 0. So which one is the big number? Big number is 4. So the degree of this polynomial is 4. So this is how we calculate the degree. Okay, and it is very very easy. You can see here, like say, what is the degree of this term? The degree of this term is 1. What is the degree of this term? 1 plus 3, 4. So what is the big number? Big number is 4. So the degree of this polynomial is 4. You can see 4 is coming here. So this type of questions you need to practice for your midterm exam. Okay, this is one question. Second question is addition and subtraction of polynomial. So how to do it? I explained in the class like terms. Like terms means if we have degree of x same, like say 7x and a 3x, these two terms are like terms. Why these two terms are like term? Because degree of x is 1, degree of x is 1. But if I tell you 3x square y and 4xy, these are like terms? No. Why these are not like terms? Because here x power is 2, here x power is 1. Different. So if different, it is not like terms. So here we need to search the like terms. So what you need to do? Look, this is one bracket. Here before this is plus. Nothing means plus. Here before this bracket is minus. Here before this bracket is plus. So first we will open the bracket. So 5x power 2 gamma 2x gamma 3. No change here because here no negative. Okay. So what now here negative. Negative means all sign inside will change. Minus x square. Then this minus, it will change into plus. This is plus here. It will change into minus. Now here plus. So same. 2x square minus 6x gamma 13. Now we will collect like terms. 5x power 2. Now minus x square gamma 2x square. These are like terms. Okay. Now another like terms. 2x. Now you can see plus x. Now minus 6x. Now another like terms. Constant. No x here. 3. Then minus 1. And then gamma 13. Like this. Now simplify. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So answer is 6x square. Gamma. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 gamma 13 is 15. So this is the answer. This is how you need to simplify the polynomials. Clear? So if you have one polynomial, two polynomial, three polynomial, maybe one more polynomial here. So what you need to see, is there any negative before any polynomial? If there is negative, then first you need to open the bracket. Change the sign here. This will be negative, this will be positive, this will be negative, like this. And then like terms you need to bring together. See, x power 2 type of terms, x type of terms, then constant term, no x, and then simplify class. So this is very very easy question that you can practice from your course material. Okay, this I have already finished. Now this is multiply. If you see, first I will explain another question to you, like say what I explained you. If there is 7 written here and here 2x plus 3. So how we are doing it? Multiply here and then multiply here. So 7 into 2, it is 14x, gamma 7 into 3, 21. This is the answer. Clear? But if I write 7x gamma 1 and 2x gamma 3, then what I need, how I need to practice? So my dear friends, you will multiply first number with first number with last number. Okay, so 7x into 2x gamma 7x into 3 plus. Now 1. This is first finish. Now we will try 1. 1 here and then 1 here. So 1 into 2x gamma 1 into 3. So what is this? 7 into 2, 14 x into x square, gamma. 7 into 3, 21 x, gamma. 1 into 2, 2x, gamma. 1 into 3, 3. So what is this? 14x power 2, gamma. 21 plus 2, 23x. Now you can see these are two like terms and gamma 3. This is the answer. So if only one number is there, we will multiply this with this. So we will get two terms. But if there are 2 plus 2, 4 terms there, so you will get 4. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Similarly, here question. This is very big question. Clear? Now you need to simplify it. What you need to do? First, you need to multiply here with the 2x square. Then multiply here. Then multiply here. This is step number 1. Then you will multiply with 3. Then you will multiply with 5. So you will get how many terms? 3 terms here, 3 terms here. You will get 9 terms in the answer. So first we are multiplying with 2x. 2x power 2 multiply x power 2. Jama 2x square into 2x. Jama 2x square into minus 3. This is the first one. Now try with the second one. Now we will multiply minus 3. Now minus 3 here. Now it will be little big question. Minus 3x into x power 2. Jama. Minus 3x into 2x. Jama. Minus 3x into minus 3. This is. So 3 terms. Now we will multiply with 5. 5 into x power 2. Jama. 5 into 2x. Jama. 5 into minus 3. This is. Now equal. What is this? 2 into x power 2, x power 2, x power 4. Jama. 2 into 2, 4, x power 3. Now you can see this term is positive, this term is negative. So plus minus is minus. 2 into 3, 6, x power 2. Now same here. Minus plus, it is minus. 3 x power 3. Now here same minus plus. Minus 3 into 2, 6x power 2. Now here minus minus, it is plus. 3 into 3, 9x. Now multiply here. 5 into x square, 5x power 2. Okay. And then you can see 5 into 2, 10x. And then one is positive, one is negative. 5 into 3 is minus 15. Class. Now collect the like terms. 2x power 4. One term only. Now 4 minus 3. 1. So it is only x power 3. Now minus 6, minus 6, minus 12. Minus 12, gamma 5. Minus 7. Now what remaining? 9x, gamma 10x. 19x. And the last number is constant. 15. Clear? So this is how we need to multiply. Oh, class. So this is how you need to do it. Clear? Now, if you will go through your course material or one sheet I forwarded you last week, now you can practice here. This is how to do subtract, how to do multiply, and this is multiplication. See, one number multiply with three number multiply. And you can see two number multiply with the two number multiply. And same question is here, 2 number multiply with 3 number multiply. Clear? But you can find in exercise 3 number with 3 number, like say you can see here 3 number with 3 number. So these type of questions you need to practice. Okay, so practice these questions. If you have an issue, please write to me in Teams. Thank you very much.